Hello. Today I'm going to show you how I create this coin collect and deposit coin system. Let's create a coin actor first. I name it BP coin. In BP coin, let's add a static mesh component for visual representation and assign mesh and material to it. Now let's create the variables that we need first. Create a Boolean variable type and name it is animate. Create a float variable type and name it pickup speed. Create the same variable type and name it pickup arch height. And animate progress. Add a vector variable type and name it start relative location. And another variable name target relative location. Let's make all the variables that we created into the category pickup. I set pickup speed variable to 1.2 and pickup arch height variable to 200. Now create a function named start fly animation. Add an input function variable type arrow component and name it attach to. Add a float variable type and name it target height Z. Let's promote the input function arrow component to a variable. Set is animate to true. Promote input variable target height Z into a local variable and name it height Z. Set actor enable collision node to false. Then create attach actor to component node and set attach parent to parent. Set location rule to keep world. After we attach actor to component, we set start relative location equal to root component relative location. And set target relative location axis Z to local variable height Z. Now in event tick. In sequence 0, we do a branch check with is animate. Get delta world seconds node multiply by pickup speed variable, then add with animation progress, then set to animation progress. Now we do a branch check if animation progress is greater than or equal to 1. If it is true, we set is animate to false and set animation progress to 1. Set actor relative location with target relative location variable. Now create lerp vector node, then use start relative location for A, set target relative location to B, and set animation progress to alpha input. To do curve animation, we use animation progress multiply by pi node, then set into sin radians node. Then multiply by the pickup arc height. We add our lerp vector result with only axis z. Now we can set it into input, new relative location. Now in third-person character blueprint, let's make it collect coin. I add a sphere collision component and set sphere radius to 300. And add an arrow component for positioning origin backpack. I create a float variable and name it coin height, then set it to 10. And create an array variable type of BP coin, name it collected coins. This is important to set it to public. Create a function named onCollectedCoin. And add input function variable type of BP coin, and name its coin. In the function, we add array collected coins with coin input from function. Then we use collected coins length, subtract with 1, then multiply with coin height, as result of target height z, input in start fly animation function. Set backpack component into attach to input. Let's add on component begin overlap from sphere component. Use other actor cast to BP coin. Then call function on collected coin. Now we need to spawn coins randomly in level. We use level blueprint for that. In begin play, create for loop node and set last index to 30. Then create spawn actor node and assign BP coin class. Create get random reachable point in radius node. Set radius to 2000. And use player position as origin. We need to add nav mesh bound volume to make spawn random coin work. I set it to 0 location and set brush setting all axis equal to 5000. To know it works, you need to press P on keyboard. If you see a green color, that means nav mesh works. Now let's test it. I think it works for now. We can play sound when the coin finishes animation progress. Now let's make the coin able to be deposited or deleted. In BP coin blueprint, create a function named start deposit coin. Add variables that we need for doing deposit coin. Add vector variable type, name it deposit start location and deposit target location. Add float variable type. Name it deposit animation progress. Add deposit speed and deposit arc height. Add Boolean variable type, name it is deposit. I set deposit speed to 1.2 and deposit arc height to 300. Now in the start deposit coin function, add input vector variable type, name it deposit target location. First, we need to detach from actor and set location rule to keep world. Then set is deposit to true and set is animate to false. Set deposit animate progress to 0. Then set deposit start location with current actor location. And set deposit target location with input function variable. Set actor enable collision to false. In event tick, from sequence node 1, we do a branch check with is deposit. If it is true, use get world delta seconds node, multiply with deposit speed, then add with deposit animate progress, then set to deposit animate progress node. Do a branch check if deposit animate progress is greater than or equal to 1. If it is true, we destroy actor then play sound. Create lerp vector node, then set deposit start location into A input and deposit target location into B input, and set deposit animate progress to alpha input. For calculate curve, use deposit animate progress multiply by pi node, then set into sin radians node. Then multiply by the deposit arc height. And we can set into z-axis with lerp result. Now we can create set actor location, then set input new location to our result. Now create an actor named BP coin collector. Add box collision component and add static mesh for visual presentation of the actor. I set box extent all axis equal to 100. Add custom event, name it, on remove coin. Add input function variable type of BP third person character. I promote it into variable and name it player reference. Now we do a branch check if player has coins on his back or not, by using player reference to get collected coin, then use length node to check if it greater than 0. If he has coin, we use top coin on his back by using collected coin length, subtract by 1, then call function start deposit coin. And set current actor location into deposit target location input function. Now we can remove the top coin of his back, by using collected coin length, subtract by 1, then set into remove index node. To remove one by one, I create set timer by event node. Then set time to 0.15. And promote return value to time handle. Create custom event named on process, then call own function on remove coin. We need to clear time handle after collected coin length equal to 0. I add two events from box collision component on component begin overlap and on component end overlap. In on component end overlap, I use other actor cast to BP third person character, then clear time handle. In on component begin overlap, I do the same and set player reference from output. Then call event on remove coin. Now we can add BP collector in level. Because our player sphere collect coin is big, it makes BP collector trigger even when player is not in its position. We can fix it by adding cast to sphere component from other comp, then use cast failed into cast to third person character node. To fix issue of coin animation jumping too fast, not smooth, because of wrong order blueprint this part, we need to change to get world delta seconds node, multiply by pickup speed node, and add with animation progress, then set into animation progress. Do the same thing with deposit animate. Now the animate coin is fixed. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.